We no fright, it's so easy.
The Gaza is here.
Me represent.
The Maroons are here. The Gaza chief is here.
Hey, I don't know king want to marry to man fi get papers in America. What a low life, dirty scumbag of a bitch that be. Nasty stinking king. That the junker they come a foreign ready for succood. Ready for green card.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, as you can see in the beginning, VYBZ KARTEL come out with Chief Curry very present at the PNP rally today with Mark Golden and a few others like L.A. Lewis and so forth. Also, finally, Prettidon came forward and gave the full story on her live on YouTube this morning. So before we get into those details, if it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe for the latest updates, and I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Stay tuned.
Well, you know, we just come to represent for our people them at this time politically, and you know, the vibes is nice, so that's what I think.
Politically, what would you change about Jamaica right now? What bothers you? What disturbs you?
No, what bothers me and what disturbs me are the same sentiment the people them are the writers are share. That's why I'm here. So Mr. Golden will make it clear.
Thanks a lot, man.
We no fright, it's so easy.
The Gaza is here.
Me represent.
The Maroons are here. The Gaza chief is here.
Hey,
we no afraid of nobody.
No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody.
Love see the girl then hear it. The party that was sweet, but it teach you what your vibes. The party that was sweet, but it teach you what your vibes.
The feel like before you can them, just one them.
Hear me a son up.
You can't bad me up.
Hear me a son up.
You can't rough me up.
Hear me a son up.
You can't dry me up.
That man said.
Oh, you no afraid of no bullbuck, no dopey conquer. Go for your arm. Pad me bad Gaza, pad me bad. Pad me bad Gaza, pad me bad. Now foot, we are real bad man, them a camouflage. Me no take.
Yeah man, as you guys can see, Cartel Latin look like he is obviously for the PNP. But I mean, this is of no surprise to me because when he came out of prison, he had the orange handkerchief around his head. And when people asked him about it, he denied it and said, but just like the color orange. But somebody also mentioned that he was being released for a reason because they go use him to influence people for vote, especially like the younger generation who don't vote, right? Me see somebody in that comment section and say, yo, because of Adi, they never vote before, but because of him, they go start vote. Stuff like that, man. Alright, so next topic, guys, is Prettidon. Now, you saw the video the other day where a female came out and said, Popcorn Rush Prettidon, and she never really gave the full story the other day, and I had the idea that maybe she's just saving it for her YouTube channel. She did just that. She went live this morning and explained more in detail of how Popcorn rushed her and tell her to go down the bush and what the female said. Yeah, then tell them so then we go last them for you. But check this out.
I care bad man, what time I say man leap out, you know, bad man leap. He dog leap out, so I say, hot tile. You feel me? When the dog jump out, Bex, you know, it's like you can see Bex station in Anja, you know. You feel me I deal with? And he say, Prettidon. How you are doing on my place? Man say, how you are doing on my place? Me see up on the internet, you diss my sister. Couple times well and look at it now, eh? Me catch you in my place like stray dog. Him say, yo, we evil for true, you know. We dark pretty. Me I tell her that pretty than the dark. Me left you and your friend them up here saying that them woods. Nobody fear can't find you. Nobody at all. You and your friend them, we left them up here so right now. Man say, you. Me have to catch you in my place like stray dog. And look at that, eh? Man say, go on, man. Enjoy the river. But go down there, son. You see me? He dog send me go down a wish party, busso then death to blood clot. Down there, so you can't even swim down there, so bumbo clot. You go think down there, so a morass. A morass alone down there, so the dog say, go and go enjoy the river, you know. Remember, you know? I river this right here, so you know, brother. And the man tell me, say, yo, enjoy the river, but go down there, so me I tell her say the man say go down this and me I tell her say the man say go down this which part the morass and busso and the whole of the debris and them they sitting there in a bad man. So instantly from the dog said that, you know, the dog I say lift up. The dog don't make you know say the grace of God. When the man tell me say yo, the grace of God make him not left me and my friend them up in the hills right now. When the dog said that to me, I couldn't even believe it a bumbuck like all me do I just stand up and look on popcorn so.
Still on Prettidon, she brought up King and Shay. She angered them wicked and say Shay keep King's secret as a member of the LGBT community, and she feel like say King is already out there and him ready for go the other side, and she's styling up wicked. But check this out for yourself. Deal with it, man, bad.
And a long time you know about this. Yeah, hold on him little Batman activity. But we done did see your blood clot King long time. We done did see everything what blood clot King all about. Right now King want to marry to man to get papers in America. What a low life, dirty scumbag of a bitch that be. Nasty stinking King. That the junker they come a foreign ready for succood. Ready for succood for green card. Brother defense you jump. No matter which gender you married to me general. You now go get the green card. So all of the little fraudulent business them or the people them did that talk about. We know about them now. Stinking Batman King. Dirty batty boy want man for grease your car wheel like blood clot mechanic. Big batty boy. A long time people know about your stinking King. And you big fat sour shay you need to go find a seat and sit down dirty girl. You know no self-esteem for your fat girl. I mean no warm to you. Me don't know if somebody did blood clot beat you or abuse you as a child, but you need to bumbuckler tighten up. Me don't know what the fuck you get up every day and hold down the secret for this one big bumbuckler Batman with your overweight pussy clot self. Move your bumbuckler and come talk King real blood clot secret. Everybody know about King Batty Wall. King always want back in fist for blood clot man, girl, boy, piss, dark, cow. Every bumbuckler thing. Go on man and burn your blood clot sell boy your boy. Ticket for fly go back to Jamaica. How you come here? Jump back your blood clot fence, man. Go and go jump back over a fence, make it 2 dog, then tear up your bumbo clot, go back to Mexico, then you fly, go back to your blood clot yard, your face pussy clot, chamba no bumbo hole. Thinking King, with your mouth kind of fraud, like pack soap to bumbo clot, like a washing machine full of bumbo clot pack soap. What a shit house. Bumbo clot, bona bada patrol.
Tell me what you guys think in the comment section about that. Now, there's this video going around with this girl on social media. She proposed to her boyfriend and he happily said yes. Now, everybody was teasing her and Dale had something to say. But before we get into both clips, if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any update. Make sure you leave a like on this video and stay tuned.
if you are proposed to no man as a woman, you're a waste girl. You're desperate, bad, you're sorry, you're sad. Out there, and you're proposed to man, you're a waste girl.
I'm glad this is coming from a man's perspective. You heard that. You're desperate and you look weak and you make the rest of us look weak. Big up to the generational women, the traditional women, who believe in the man proposing. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time on this channel, subscribe for the latest updates so you don't miss out. And I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.